This is my gift.
So Dan, shall I just help you open this up?
Yeah. You do the first bit. I'm gonna do the last bit.
Okay, no worries. Let's see, this is sharp, right?
Thanks, me.
Is somebody gonna shout, open it, open it, open it, open it? No? Nobody's gonna shout, open it. Okay, don't put your foot there, baby. You'll hurt yourself.
Okay.
Okay, let's open it that way. Wait there.
Open it, open it,
Open it,
open it.
close it. Huh?
Close it. That's more like it. Oh yeah.
Well, half the box is empty. That's crazy.
This is just to keep it safe.
Okay, so you're gonna tell us what it is, yes?
Yeah.
Come on, don't play with that. This is the thing you're gonna play with. Help me. Come on.
So, oh, it's a towel crane.
Yes. Whoa! Are you happy? Turn around this way. Hey! Alright, that's enough.
I really wanted the crane for
You
all
did?
my life.
Oh, got the right gift then, maybe. Okay, so I think this is opens here.
Yeah. Woo! Sharp. Make sure you ask a grown-up for help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure safety first.
Yeah. Safety first, okay?
Okay.
So now we're going to open this.
There you go. Shall we take the big box away?
Yeah.
Somebody just take the big box away. Thank you.
Oh, this.
There you go. And you're gonna help? Come and help. This way. Am I doing everything for you here?
No. I'm gonna put it exactly upside down.
Okay, let me
Just put it exactly upside down and then lift it up.
upside down this way. Okay, you seem to know better than I do. Whoa, look at that.
Oh.
That's upside down, lift it up. Look at that, guys. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wait.
Look that side. This side. This side.
Oh, okay. Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy.
So we have to try and put this together.
Yeah.
And we got remote control.
Yep.
Over there.
Wow, I can't believe I'm actually doing this.
Over there.
What are
Wait a minute, let me just cut this through. Okay, open it now. Wait, mind your feet. Open it now. Wait, let me cut it through.
Wow. Wow, what are these? Whoever's done this, please tell me in the comments below what these are.
So we have instructions. When we leave the comments below, we haven't even started yet.
Yeah.
We have the instructions here, we have to try and figure it out.
Yeah. Kind of like how this is. Hey, Dad, got this one. Oh, I can lift it.
Taking all that out.
Yeah.
Take it out slowly. Look, the whole block is there. Like this. That's slowly, yeah? Good boy. That's the motor and everything else, right?
Yeah.
Bring that base out. I think that's it. Where do you think the base goes?
I think it goes here.
I think you're right. Which way does it go? That's the thing. That's right. You put it down.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
What?
wow.
Wait, can this actually
It's a very heavy crane.
Yeah, I know what these are now, so
So we'll just put this
don't
aside.
tell me
We're
anything.
turning it around. The other side.
Wait, what? There's the other side.
Right, so we cut this, put your hand out of the way.
I didn't even know there was another side. I was like, what is this?
That's why it didn't all fall out, right? So it's
Yeah.
stuck in there. You know how you take this off?
Oh,
Take these out. I'll do that.
Floppity. This. Please tell me it's heavy, because I know it is. What is this thing?
I think that's the real base.
The real base. No, wait, this is when they walk around, Daddy. Head. Do you think this is one house? This bit.
Look at this.
Not like in money, but
Battery
like
goes in
in
there.
weight.
And then battery goes in there.
Oh.
Now pull that side. Pull it. That's the real base, maybe?
No, Dad, no. I know. I know this. Now I know how this works.
Hang on, these instructions are in a different language. I'm just joking. Okay, Danny seems to know what he's doing.
No. So this is just to like test it, I think. Oh, we got those out. So now I'm going to put this on there. And now I'm going to put this on there. Oh.
Danny,
Yeah. What are these?
you have to
Picture doesn't look like.
Right, so you got these down. They're mounted down here somewhere.
Okay.
And they should go
Oh, wait, there's a piece here for that.
down.
Dad,
Should go there like that.
hey, Dad, please, first,
Slide
can
on.
you just help me get to the house?
This slides on like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, that's one. Can you do the other one, please? Slide the other side on. And there,
Okay.
that's it. Push it on properly.
Well, I tried to, Daddy.
Okay, let me do
No.
Right, get the next one.
Oh.
Next one. Get the next one. That's good. Now that stands down there like that.
Wait, Dad. Just put that okay, how we get to stick out.
Yeah, you can get that.
The star.
There you go. Alright, where does this go?
This goes like on top.
Okay, seems like you know what you're doing. Slides on, baby.
Oh, it's fine.
Look, it slides on. Everything slides on.
Slide.
Wait a minute.
How does it slide on?
Yes.
Like that. Like that. Everything like that.
Wait, look, if there's arrows to help you.
Go on then, what does that look like?
So the arrows say push that way, while these say push that way.
Oops.
What?
Okay, we can slide on easier that way. Look at baby.
There you go.
It is
Oh.
stiff.
Very, very stiff.
I'm not sure if it goes this way.
It does. It does.
I know.
Because of the hole.
Which one?
The hole there. The hole that there. The hole there and the circle.
Okay, so what goes on top here? Okay, got it. Are you ready? So guys, this,
That bit goes here.
yeah, that bit goes there. This goes into here. And if we put that on, Let's put this on first, Dan.
No. Hey.
Put this on. Put it on. Push it up.
Oh yeah, because of the sliding.
Alright, this goes on here.
That is.
Somehow. But this is stiff. Oh, it's not stiff anymore. Okay.
Stiff.
So then this goes on top here.
Okay, now you're talking.
Push it down. There you go. Oh my gosh, this is a big
My
crane.
gosh! It's like, it can go higher than me.
Okay, then. Where does that go? On top. Slides on. Everything slides on.
Yeah, everything's like on. The lesson you got taught today is everything slides on.
Okay. It's a slide on crane.
This goes on
This is heavy.
the
Yeah, no, it's like 1 pound weight.
Where's it go?
I don't know.
It goes then back here. Down here. Oh no, it's not. It's a counterweight.
It's counterweight.
Yeah, you know what a counterweight is?
No.
Well, when you go to school, ask your teacher.
Well, Dad.
What's a counterweight?
Well, I know what a weight is, but I don't know what a counterweight.
Because you see what happened. Look, feel this. It's heavy, right?
Yeah.
So when you got something heavy on there,
Yeah.
this hold it that way.
Oh,
it keeps it
so
balanced.
a counterweight is weight that keeps it balanced.
Balance, yeah. So
Yeah.
this is heavy. That's heavy. That's a counterweight.
Yeah. So
Okay, so the
just
only
make
thing we
sure-
haven't done, we haven't done these, guys. So where do they go? They go on
probably
top here, look.
Yeah.
How many are there?
There's 1, 2, 3. Wait, wait. We need
A lot of weight going on here.
We need 5.
This one,
That's
if you just
Dad.
show here.
Do it like so, Dad. Just
Yeah.
like this. So,
Let go, babe. It goes this way, look. Hook it on like this, right?
yeah. So now
Okay,
that
so
don't
this
come
goes in
there.
there first. Like this.
I thought it went here to
The
like
other way.
so that.
So this goes like that. Hooks onto there. Or hook onto that.
So this is where 2 AA batteries go. At the bottom of the crane, it also needs AA batteries. In here, you have to put in rechargeable batteries, which we put in.
Which came with it, right?
Yeah, you can charge it. So I go to switch this on and do my test.
What's happening? You gonna lift it up, yeah?
I lift it up.
Yeah, it's coming up. Keep going up.
Okay. Also, it's going down there. You know how I'm doing this? Because I'm doing it like that.
Doing what?
I'm doing it.
Okay. So that's going up. Oh, you moving it that way too? That's good. Okay. Pause it there.
Yeah.
Pause it there. Now, can the crane actually turn around? Swing around? Oh, wow. The other way. Oh, what's my TV? Turn around the other way. Keep going. Oh. So this is going to be a noisy toy, right?
Yes.
Very noisy. What's happening with the crane, Danny?
It's going down. So you see this is going down. I'm not pushing it around.
While it's going down, can you tell us what you think of this toy?
I think I'm gonna rate it as a 5 star.
5 star. Is it the highest?
Yeah.
Do you like it though?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I love it!
Alright, respect. So you're going to pick that up from down there?
Yeah. I don't think it can reach.
Okay, so that's gone down quite far.
Yeah.
You hook it on. Hook your weight on.
Yeah.
Good man.
Now I'm going to move it onto that table.
You move it onto the table, okay.
Oops, sorry, going the wrong way.
You're not a very good crane driver, are you?
I am.
You are? Are you going down still?
Oh.
You're going down.
Oh.
You are not a good train driver.
Insane. This is just to get used to it. I don't know if you can take that off or not.
You can go up.
Dad, I don't know if you can take this off.
On the table without getting in the way of the camera.
Oh. Okay then.
Go on then, put it onto the table. As far as it goes. Sorry, the crane's not close enough.
Yeah.
That's one way of doing it, I suppose.
How am I going to do this? Just if that makes it stop rolling.
Well done.
Now, the unhook this. Maybe
Alright, move that, okay.
okay, now I'm going to take it. Oops. So, I think this crane is nice after all that silly construction and fun playing, and I think I love it. And also, I think the height is about the size of me. Like and subscribe.